gonna give y'all a quick little daytime pull on the highway. So I see this the car. Nothing too bad. So yeah, this gonna be quick. Let's get it. $325. I've been on that MJ this morning, man. Kinda wanna do a real pull. I'm trying to let them go ahead. Alright, here we go. Scared me a little bit. That bitch, bro, that was my first time putting my foot down. Oh my God. Y'all gotta understand, I came from a Sentra. I came from a Sentra, you know what I'm saying? That bitch had like 120 horsepower. This is about 400, right? According to Google. Damn, that shit was crazy. Let me just hit the highway again. So I can get another pull, low speed pull. I guess this kind of is a 30 roll. Like I'm selling drugs, sleeping with me, boy, before I even knew who I was. Yo, I love this fucking car, bro. I love this fucking car. I like how smooth it get. It go from rowdy to smooth when you put your foot down. I love that shit. Alright, that's it for the day. Remember what I said? I'm in North Louisiana. The East Police be on dick. I think I caused enough noise. I'm gonna call it right there.